of Words by Michael Frith. The first words I'll teach my pup are dig a hole and fill it up. I'll teach him walk, I'll teach him run, then catch a ball, we'll sure have fun. Then I'll teach him bark and beg, wag your tail and shake a leg. Wash your ears and wash your toes. Scratch your head and blow your nose. I'll teach him big, I'll teach him small, and fat and thin and short and tall, and dark and light, and day and night. I'll teach him chase the cat and climb the tree. Eat your food and follow me. I'll teach him red and blue and green. A dog like this you've never seen. I'll teach him orange, purple, pink, but he can still learn more, I think. I'll teach my dog to paint a chair, then paint the road from here to there. He'll even paint some underwear. Cut the grass, shine my shoe, kiss a goose, but clean the zoo. But that's not all my dog will do. He'll toot a bugle, beat a drum. He'll stand on top of someone's thumb. And then he'll learn to sing with birds. Now he knows a lot of words. The end.